Hi guys, here's a step-by-step process on how to make kashata. If you like this Costa delicacy or it's a snack, then this is the video for you. So I'm gonna make this from scratch. I will need this coconut desiccates. Not desiccates actually, you use the whole coconut, like you just grate it, or kokuna in Swahili, and you are ready to go. So in this sufuria I have added 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, then I have added cinnamon for flavor, and yeah, that is it. So you will cook it until it becomes gluey. I don't know how to explain that further, but the moment it becomes gluey, that is the right time that you are supposed to add the coconut. So guys, this coconut is not the coconut desiccates. This is like just whole coconut that has been grated into these fine or small pieces. So I have not extracted the oil. The oil is still in there. So you will mix thoroughly, and then you will cook it until ianze kushikana, like until it becomes jamani, I don't know what kushikana is in English, but you'll cook it until it becomes kind of like sticky. Yeah, I think the right word is sticky, and then you'll be good to go. So follow through the process, and I hope that you will enjoy the video. Please remember to give it a like, share, and also subscribe if you are new, and then you will see the end product just in a few.
Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the meteors fall out of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the cracks start to let your own light through, I'll be there to help you shine.
After you're done cooking, you will find a flat pan, and then you'll grease the surface, and then you'll put on the kashata, and then you will flatten it out. So you can use your hands, you can dip your hands in water and use them, but zilikuwa moto sana, so me I was using this mwiko. And then once you flatten it, you will make cutting patterns in them so that it becomes easier for you to cut once it dries up.
Still of the night, gazing up at the sky, when the stars began to fade.